If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. There are many ways to open a file in Photoshop based on where the file to open is saved. To open a file in Photoshop, either click the Open button in the Photoshop home screen or select File, Open from the menu bar. Doing either action then launches either the Open System dialog box or the Open from Creative Cloud window, depending on which one you last used to open a file in Photoshop. You use the Open System dialog box to open locally saved files. Alternatively, you use the Open from Creative Cloud window to open files saved to Creative Cloud. If needed, to switch to the Open from Creative Cloud window from the Open dialog box if it appears, click the Open Cloud Documents button within it. Alternatively, to switch to the Open dialog box from the Open in Creative Cloud window if it appears, click the On Your Computer button within it. To use the Open dialog box to open a locally saved file in Photoshop, navigate into the folder that contains the file to open. Then click it to select it. Like most Windows-based apps, if you need to select multiple local files to open, you can also click to select them while holding down either the Control or Shift key to select either multiple non-adjacent or adjacent files respectively if needed. Then click the Open button in the Open dialog box to open the selected file or files. Alternatively, to use the Open in Creative Cloud window to open files saved in Creative Cloud in Photoshop, click either the Your Files link at the left side of the window to show your saved files to the right, or click the Shared With You link at the left side of the window to show Creative Cloud files shared with you to the right. Then click to select the file to open in the list at the right side of the window to immediately open it. Note that you can only open one Creative Cloud file at a time using this window. Alternatively, to open Creative Cloud files from the home screen in Photoshop, click the Home button at the left end of the Options bar to show the home screen if needed. Then click either the Your Files or the Shared With You link at the left side of the home screen to select the Creative Cloud photos to show to the right. Then click the file to open to the right. Alternatively, to select multiple Creative Cloud files to open, hover over a file to select, and then click the checkbox that appears in its upper left corner to mark it with a check mark. Repeat this process to check the files to open. Then click the Open link that appears towards the upper right corner of the list of files to open the selected Creative Cloud files in Photoshop. Alternatively, to open a file in Photoshop from Adobe Bridge if you have that app installed, select File, Browse in Bridge from the menu bar to open the Adobe Bridge app. Then navigate to the folder that contains the file to open in the Folders pane in Adobe Bridge and click it to select it and show its contents in the Content pane. Then double-click the file to open in the Content pane of Adobe Bridge to open it in Photoshop. You can then click the X button in the upper right corner of the Adobe Bridge app to close it if desired. Alternatively, to open a recently opened file in Photoshop, click File in the menu bar, roll over the Open Recent command, and then click to select the name of the recently opened file to reopen in the side menu of choices that appears. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.